So first we're going to go to the library homepage. And then we are going to hit Browse Databases. And for the database I'm going to be using is ProQuest. So we're going to go to Page. ProQuest Central. And then when the page pops up, you're just going to type in your key terms. So World War II and causes. And then when they show up, you can filter them, so depending on what source type you want. So if you want a journal, a book, audio and video works, thesis, newspaper. So we're going to go ahead and hit scholarly journals. And then your results will pop up. And then so what you can do if you see multiple you like, so you like this article, you can go ahead and click that little check box. That was already checked. And then say you like multiple, you'll just check them all. And then they will save up here into your, I call it a file. So then when you save all the ones you like, you can go back up here and all of the ones that you checked will show up, so you can digest them more, so you can then open the full text that you want. And then it will give you the abstract, the full text, see if you like it, want to use it. If you don't, you can just go ahead. If you do like it, you can email it to yourself, save it to yourself, or save it to your computer. You can also cite it from here, so if you like it and you use it in your research paper, just go ahead and hit cite, and then change it to whatever style that your professor wants you to have, and then hit done, and it'll cite it for you. So then if you decide you don't like it, you can go back up here and you don't want to use it, and just go ahead and uncheck it. And then when you refresh the page, it'll go away and it'll just have your ones that you do like. And yeah, basically that's it. I used this for my research paper in Comp 2 last semester, and it really helped me.